Welcome! In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to control the music on your phone with your watch. So if you want to use your watch to control the music on your phone, the devices need to be paired together via the Pixel Watch application, and also you will need to allow the notification access for the Google Pixel application or Pixel Watch application, because otherwise the feature won't work. And to allow the notification access, you need to open the settings on your phone. In settings, you need to find the option called device and app notification or notification control. Let me see what it's called on this device. It's going, usually it is in apps, special app access, and it's one of the options here. On this one, it's called notification read, reply and control. On some other Android devices, it's called device and app notifications and could be called something else. It's a bit annoying, but it is what it is. So find the option that sounds like something like this about the control of the notifications and then tap on it. And that's how the menu looks like. You have list of allowed and not allowed. And we need to find the Google Pixel Watch application, tap on it, and this option needs to be allowed, or enabled rather. You need to allow the notification access for this app for the music control to work. Once it's enabled, you can close the settings. And now, if you go to your watch and open the music app, okay, and start playing music on your phone. For example, I'm gonna open YouTube and here I have the playlist and I'm gonna start playing the song. It will pop up right here and we can do a couple of things. We can pause and resume the song. We can go next. We can go previous. We can open the music, not music, but volume control and control the volume. And that's about all, I think. Of course, once you're done, you can press the Chrome button to go back to watch face. And basically, that's how you control the music on your phone with a watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.